Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, BBC World News. This time we talk about Mozambique Cabo Delgado LNG project to support 16,400 jobs in US and the resumption of the liquefied natural gas project in the province of Cabo Delgado in the northern Mozambique will support 16,400 jobs and 68 companies in the US, according to the Exim Bank, the official export credit agency of the US. And according to the statement, the board of the director of a state-owned EXMI bank, which supports US export and import, said the second amendment to the loan grant in 2019 to the project of up to the US 47% was approved and the anonymously on the 30th March. The financing aimed to support the export of US goods and services for the development and construction of the integrated LNG project, and investment that Total Energy is building on the Afyungi and the Peninsula, but suspended since 2021 due to the terrorist attack in Cabo Delgado. The financing for the project, located on the Afyungi Peninsula in northern Mozambique, will support for engineering, procurement, and the construction and the onshore LNG plant and the related facility and the offshore activity. The transaction, which had been on the 4-year pause, and will support an estimated 16,400 good-paying American jobs for worker family at more than 68 companies across 40 states, including Texas and Louisiana, Oklahoma, New York, and Pennsylvania, Georgia, Tennessee, Florida, Illinois, South Carolina, New Jersey, California, Nevada, and the Colorado and the District of the Columbia. Following states are expected to support thousands of additional jobs across the United States. The Exim Bank and the statement reads and quoted, in addition to being already paid the US $4.7 billion, the USCXIM Bank expect to receive the US $1,600 million. Quoted in the document, the bank vice president Jim Barrow stressed that this 2009 transaction, with the largest deal in the Exim now 99-year history, finally can move forward, and so that thousands of American workers can export their made in the US equipment and services, something that insisted would have gone to the Chinese and Russian manufacturer. But the President Trump leadership in the reauthorizing Exim, the President of Mozambique, Daniel Chapo, thanked his US counterpart on Thursday for approving over the financing. US sport plays a critical role in the advancing the critical project. The Mozambican LNG project has the potential to generate 1.3 million tons of the LNG per year and create 40,000 new jobs, including approximately 20,000 in the US. And this sport allows the participation of North American company in Mozambique and contribute to a global energy security within the framework of a solid partnership between our two countries. The latter continues. Total Energy said this week that with Exim approval, financing to restart the LNG project in Cabo Delgado is almost complete. We are still in force and the mature situation. The project has not restarted yet, but one of the critical steps was the Exim Bank decision, which reconfirmed its support for the overall Total Energy. Director of Mozambique, Maxime Rabilot, Total Energy leader of the Area 1 Consortium, is currently developing a plant for the production and export of natural gas in the Afyungi near Palma. Total Energy LNG project, one of the under development in Mozambique, has been suspended since 2021 due to the terrorist attack in Cabo Delgado, which led the oil company in invoke the force majeure clause and the withdrawal of personnel from the construction site. This forced the consortium of the financing bank to reconfirm the previously approved financing with the resumption of the project, also conditioned on the reestablishment of the security, which is that area has the support of the Rwandan armed forces. And Maxime Rabilot explained that in addition to the US Exim Bank, the Asian Bank in the financing consortium had also reconfirmed financing of the around US and the $5 billion, with the only for reconfirming of financing from European Bank pending. Cabo Delgado province has been facing an armed rebellion that has caused thousands of lives at Gaza humanitarian crisis, with more than a million people displaced since October. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.